We are doing a video to inform you about the body planes. This video was produced and voiced over by Janelle McNair Williams, a PowerPoint created by Tajine Davis and Jalen Miles, and a voiceover and video also done by Janae Ward.
This is anatomical position, when you are standing with your feet spread apart and your palms anteriorly supinated, which is palms facing forward. This is the frontal plane. The frontal plane divides the body vertically into anterior parts and posterior part. Anterior is the front of the body, posterior is the back. It can also be referred to as the coronal plane. Now the sagittal plane. Sagittal plane cuts the body vertically into right and left parts. Mid-sagittal produces equal right and left halves, which is an example in the picture you see. Parasagittal produces unequal right and left halves. If you cut a liver vertically down the middle, that will be parasagittal plane, because each side you aren't seeing the exact same. Finally, the transverse plane. The transverse plane horizontally divides the body into cranial, which is the upper part, and caudal, which is the lower part. Next, we have a video to show you the three planes that we just described to you.
This is anatomical position, and in anatomical position, your feet are spread apart and your palms are facing forward. Now I'm about to describe to you three main planes. First plane is the frontal plane, and that divides the body parts into anterior, which is the front, and posterior, which is the back. And this could also be called the coronal plane. Next is the sagittal plane, and the sagittal plane divides the body parts into right halves and left halves. So that could also be called the median plane. Lastly is the transverse plane, and that horizontally divides the body parts into cranial and caudal parts.